Hello students, I am extremely pleased to announce the commencement of Sunday Live, which is our annual History Optional Mentorship program. You may be aware that we have started to release the classroom lectures of History Optional Foundation on YouTube for everybody on open platform. And so far, we have received extremely good response there. But understand one thing well, merely watching lectures is not sufficient. To score highest in History Optional, what we need is proper guidance from an expert, personalized mentorship, and adequate answer writing practice. And from that reason, we have launched this program, which is called as Sunday Live. We'll meet every Sunday. For entire year, both me and Vishal sir will be available to guide you and to provide you answer writing. So, the program begins on 28th of July, this Sunday. This first Sunday is open for all. What all you have to do is to register and turn up either online or offline. Both Vishal sir and me will resolve all the strategy related issues. I am very excited to see all of you personally there and to begin our annual journey of discovery and learning. See you all. Thank you.